luminum textures trace the path toward the future. As computing power turns into talent, we define every square inch, letting every watt of energy transform into the drive of civilization. Coolant circulates through the veins, keeping energy in calm restraint. When computation strikes the limit, we break through physical boundaries amidst the surging tides of AI. We hold fast to the original intent of design. The clarion call to challenge the limits are sounded, from green efficiency to ultimate performance, never settle. This is more than system assembly. This